The concept for hugelkultur is simply to organize a long mound of logs and organic material and then covering it with soil and/or compost. Hugelkultur is perfect in areas prone to drought because over time the moisture that's locked away in the logs slowly seeps out as the logs decay. So we're going to do some hugelkultur. Got some raspberries here, and right over there we're going to dig a big hole, fill it with wood. Traditionally, hugelkulturs are long and sometimes around 7 feet tall, give or take. We want ours to be about the size of a traditional raised garden bed, so it won't be as large as a typical hugelkultur, but the same concepts still apply. It's also used to build soil, which is why we're using it in the very back of the yard, which is where the soil is very poor and clay-like. Time to add the compost and soil, plants, and the sun. Kind of very small scale. Filled it up with about 2 feet of dead, rotting logs, covered it up, and we'll be planting some food in there later. Hugelkultur needs to be selectively watered in the first year, especially when plants are establishing themselves. We're using a wicking hose beneath the mulch. We will probably only use it for the first year, and then we will remove it after the final harvest in late fall.